Enter.
Let's just sharp. Take.
Just one time.
Yeah. Oh, voila. No issue. May I collect my thing here?
Okay, I'll be coming down somewhere here, please. It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Just 500. 500. You don't have change.
Jesus, I cannot find my money
You
again.
cannot do what? Eh?
Yes, there was a Jesus.
Give me my money. Let me go now.
I'm telling you that I'm looking for my money. You are shouting. Eh? I had a very huge amount of money in this handbag when I was entering your keke.
I don't know what you're talking about. The fact is, I'm rushing somewhere. Let me go. You're wasting my time, oh.
Jesus, sir, I'm telling you the truth. There was a very huge amount of money in this dollars. It's not naira, it's dollars. I'm just coming back from my brother's house. He gave me that money for my school fees. And when I was entering your keke, I'm very sure that money was inside this handbag.
Are you telling me that so that what will happen?
Hi,
Okay, you think I don't know what to do? Yeah, I know now. You don't have money and you enter my.
Oh my God, sir.
You are going to pay me. I will collect your money.
Sir, calm down, sir, calm down.
Wow, what are you talking about?
Sir, relax now. I'm telling you that it's when I was entering your keke that maybe the money fell down.
Fell down where? I don't know.
That place that you carried me, there's no money here. No, sir. No.
There is no money. My keke, pay me. Let me go.
Okay, sir. Look at what will happen. Can you help me?
Help me how?
Take me back to that place. Let me go and look for that money. Now, take me back to that place. Let me go and look for my money. I promise I'm going to pay you to and fro.
I don't know what you are talking about. If I take you back to that place, you are going to pay me double.
I'll pay you.
Are you sure you're going to
Yes,
pay me
I'm
double?
going to pay. Sir, please, there's no time.
Enter.
In case somebody picks the money.
Let's go.
Jesus.
Let's go. You're going to pay me double.
Yes, I'll pay you. What is happening now?
Yes. Finally, I have made it. By this morning now, with this money, I can buy one car for my mom, one for my dad, and I'm going to that one place. Yes. It's not easy. It's not easy to stay. But yes. Okay. I forgot. Hi! Fuck off. What's happening? Hi! Jack, I don't regret it again. Eh? I don't regret it again. What is happening now? What is happening to me, Jack? Eh? The more I just damn. Hi! Let me go back again.
Are you enough, eh?
Yes, I'm going.
Hi. He's here. Sir, park well. Yes. Yes, turn the keke. Sir, turn fast.
I'm turning now.
Hi. What is going on? It's okay. Oh my God.
Did you see anyone?
No. Hi. Oh my God. What kind of problem is this? Mommy? Fine girl.
see any money.
Jesus.